Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get your Payoneer account approved. First log into your Payoneer, go to your profile picture, go to settings, and then here you will see options, but what you want to do is simply go to verification center, and that is next to security settings. Tap this one. Now, once you tap this, you will see another options like if you want to verify or if you want to start sending payment requests to your clients or start getting paid to receiving accounts. So you can verify both, but for this tutorial, let's go first to start getting paid to receiving accounts. So all you have to do is simply submit the following here, like address verification, government, receiving account questions, update your address, and bank account verification. So let's just say if you click submit, then what you want to do is to simply drag your files here. Make sure that your files are already stored in your device or your computer so that you can just simply drag those files here and then click submit. Now, if you want to know how many days for your application to get approved, then go to Google and you can simply type when will my application approve, Payoneer or something like that. And you will see here that it will take up to 3 business days for your application to get approved. Now, if you want to know more, if you want to ask more about them, then you can click contact us. So for sending payment requests to clients, they will need your business website URL. Okay, so if you want to ask more about the verification of your account, you can go to contact us and then enter your first name, email address, last name, pay on your account, and then enter and tell them your concern. For example, let's just say, can you help me verify my account? And then once done, what you want to do is simply add some file here as a proof that you have submitted your documents already. Once done, click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with your concern about verifying your account. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.